In last video, we have seen congruence of triangle, and also we have seen the criteria for congruence of triangle. We have seen SSS congruence rule, SAS congruence rule, ASA congruence rule, AAS congruence rule. Also we have seen RHS congruence rule. Now in today's video, we will do some of the problems based on those congruence rule. So the first question is, in quadrilateral ABCD, AC equal to AD. So AC equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. We need to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Also, what can you say about BC and BD? So here they have given AC equal to AD. First we will write what all things they have given. Again they have given AB bisects angle A. Next we will write what to prove. So to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. So we need to show any of the three parameters equal, or we can use SSS congruence rule, any of those congruence rule, and we can check whether these two triangles are congruent or not. We need to show that these two triangles are congruent. So ABC, this is our first triangle, and ABD, this is our second triangle. So already we need three things. So AC equal to AD, they have already given. Again we can write angle CAB equal to angle BAD, because that is also given. They have given that AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A means, bisect means divide into two equal parts. So one side and one angle is equal. Again, when you look these two triangles, you can see the side AB is common. So AB equal to AB, because the side AB is common. So these two triangles are congruent by which congruence rule? Side, angle, side. Here is a side, angle, side. Two sides and one included angle between those sides. So it is SAS congruence rule. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by SAS congruence rule. And also we need to say, what can you say about BC and BD? We can say that BC will be equal to BD because these two triangles are congruent. So corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, short form you will usually write as CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So BC and BD are the parts of the congruent triangle, so they will be also equal. So these two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Now second question is, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC, angle DAB, so we have to find out DAB, this full angle, equal to CBA. We need to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Also BD equal to AC, angle ABD equal to angle BAC. So first we will write given. They have given AD equal to BC, and also they have given DAB equal to angle CBA. We need to prove all these three. So first we will take those triangle only. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC. So ABD is this one and BAC. So these are our triangle. Now AD equal to BC, we need three parameters. So AD equal to BC, they have already given. AD is equal to BC, this given. Again DAB equal to CBA, that is also given. DAB for this triangle and CBA for this triangle. Now only one more thing we need to find out. We know for these two triangles AB is common. So I can write AB equal to AB. AB is common. These two triangles are congruent by SAS, that is side, angle, side. Again, if you take this triangle, side, angle, side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by SAS congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent by SAS congruence rule. Then these two easily we can prove, because we can write BD is equal to AC and ABD equal to BAC, because if those two triangles are congruent, then these will be equal by the corresponding parts of congruent triangle. These two triangles are congruent by SAS, side, angle, side congruence rule. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisects AB. CD, so this is AB and this line segment is CD. So we need to show AD, they have given AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the line segment AB. So they have given AD equal to BC. Again, equal perpendiculars they have given. So that means OAD equal to angle OBC, that is equal to 90 degree. We need to show CD bisects AB. CD bisects AB means we need to show AO equal to OB. AO equal to OB. We need to show AO is equal to OB. So for that we will consider the triangle AOD and triangle BOC. In that AD equal to BC, it is given. Also OAD equal to OBC equal to 90 degree. So that is also given. Again, these two angles are equal because it is vertically opposite angle. So I can write angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So that is equal to vertically opposite angle. Both are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we can say that two angles and one side is equal and that side is not included. So we can say that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC by AAS congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent, and finally we can say that AO equal to OB because of corresponding parts of congruent triangle are equal. So AO equal to OB, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. From that we can say that CD bisects AB. So thank you for watching my video.